already the car driving.
What's up, guys? So we're back in the car now and we're about to leave, and I have the quote here from Lake County Euros for all of the labor work that I'm going to do on the MK7 GTI. So let's get into it. So I have a 2016 Volkswagen GTI, and I'm getting catback exhaust installed, suspension control arms with bushings installed, front and rear sway bars installed, and an all-wheel alignment. The labor cost for the catback installation is $462.50. It's 2.5 hours. And the suspension control arm with the bushings installed, it's 2.3 hours at $425.50. And then the front and rear sway bars, well, the front sway bar is 2.6 hours and the rear sway bar is 1.2 hours. Those respectively are at $481 and $222 even. And after that, obviously you're gonna need an all-wheel alignment, and that takes 1 hour, so it's $199. The total together is gonna be $932.99 and $1850.99 with tax. I'm supplying all the parts, so I'm just paying for labor. I think that's a great price, man. That gets everything done for the bottom of the car. I won't have to do anything else. There are some little bits and pieces that are more intricate inside each of these sections of parts being installed. Like, for instance, the front and rear sway bars both have adjustable end links, like front adjustable end links and rear adjustable sway bar end links. So they're gonna be installed with the front and rear sway bars, but it's not like listed here in the description, but it's part of the installation. So it's a lot of little pieces all built in, but it's a great price, and I'd say within like 2 weeks the GTI will be all set. think that's pretty cool. How am I gonna get out? Nah, we're good.